Yeah, you know, people without a vision is certainly lost. So that's why we come through with this Hebrew vision. Yeah. Nakum, yeah. In this time of stress, in this civil unrest, we cry for a better tomorrow to manifest. Unnecessary beef, more cows to feed. I keep my melanin strong and spread my seed from the bottom of my lungs. Every breath that I breathe, all praise to Yah in His holy creed. The birth of a nation, small complications, four corners of the earth, relocation, cultural freedom. Yeah, people need them. Imperialists overrule, we soon defeat them. Deplete them, complete them to 1,000 years rest. So you gotta understand it's gonna take our best. Now, House of Judah, please rise fully. We gotta stand tall to defeat these bullies. Principalities and spirituality, the war on the flesh, human casualties. Understand, no vision to lead. Hebrew vision is the thing that we need. Spirit and truth, from our veins we bleed. We soon form the body, fulfill His deed. No vision to stand, no vision to lead. Vision is the thing that we need. Spirit and truth, from our veins we bleed. We soon form the body, fulfill His deed. Now retribution is our only solution.
Gather sheep of His fold. There were lies that were told. Hear me, prophecies to unfold. Gather round now, won't y'all listen to me, please? A CEO you must be, hard as Adam and stone. Hear me, they gon' sure throw them stones. Understand now, tell them everything you see. Astray from me, they have eyes but don't see me, and they won't hear what you're saying. Prepare the way for my feet and straighten up narrow places. Tell them judgment is